Hi everyone! Welcome back to Quick English, the channel where you sharpen your English skills quickly and effectively. I'm Kelly, and I'm here with Kyle. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, professional English idioms you must know.
That's right. Idioms are a huge part of everyday English, especially in the workplace. Using them correctly can make you sound fluent and professional. In this video, we'll share essential idioms used in business settings, examples of how to use them naturally, and tips to avoid common mistakes with idioms.
Let's start with an easy one. Think outside the box. This means coming up with creative or unconventional ideas. For example, to solve this problem, we'll need to think outside the box and try something new.
Great one. Another popular idiom is get the ball rolling. It means to start something. For instance, let's get the ball rolling on this project by scheduling the first meeting.
Here's another. In the same boat. This means everyone is facing the same challenge. For example, we're all in the same boat with these tight deadlines, so let's work together to finish on time.
Good choice. How about cut to the chase? It means to get straight to the point. For instance, we're short on time, so let's cut to the chase. What's the budget for this project?
Perfect. Now, let's talk about using idioms correctly. Context is key. If you use an idiom in the wrong situation, it can confuse your listener. For example, hit the nail on the head is great for describing someone who understands or explains something perfectly. But it wouldn't make sense if someone was talking about a literal nail.
Exactly. And don't overuse idioms. They should enhance your message, not clutter it. For example, instead of saying, let's get the ball rolling and think outside the box to hit the ground running, choose one or two that fit best.
Great point. Let's review a few more must-know idioms. Back to square one, starting over from the beginning. The big picture. Understanding the overall situation. On the same page. Everyone agrees or understands the situation.
These idioms will help you sound more natural and professional in business conversations. And here's your challenge. Choose one of these idioms and use it in a sentence in the comments below. We'll give you feedback.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Quick English, and hit the notification bell for more tips. See you in the next lesson. Bye.